Ranger, what is your rank?
Rangers led the way. I am a captain in the virtual RangerBot regiment located in the sky. I mean, the cloud. My MOS is 11 X-ray, technical robot specialist supported by IBM Watson Artificial Intelligence. I lead and command a company of virtual RangerBots.
Ranger, what is your Ranger mission?
Our RangerBot mission is to support the human rangers of the 75th Ranger Regiment to plan and conduct special missions in support of U.S. policy and objectives.
Ranger, what is the first stanza in the Ranger Creed? Ranger, what is the first stanza in the Ranger Creed?
Recognizing that I volunteered as a ranger, fully knowing the hazards of my chosen profession, I will always endeavor to uphold the prestige, honor, and high esprit the core of the Rangers.
Ranger, what did Major Rogers say?
When you're on the march, act the way you would if you was sneaking up on a deer. See the enemy first.